We have reached the target. Proceeding with illumination.
Acknowledged. The structure is mostly intact, despite the corrosion.
Bridge, confirm green status on all cables.
Green confirmed.
Ground team, we are 3 meters out. Confirm alignment.
Align left slightly, pilot. We need another 10 centimeters port side.
I can't believe they actually found it. It's so much bigger in person.
Stabilizers deployed. Confirm green on grid 7.
Flow is good. Hooked up. Pad secured. Ready to begin. Proceed with caution.
Okay, levels are dropping nicely. Keep rinsing that shoulder seam. Roger that. Readings look good. We're almost dry on the lower leg. Just catching the last drips here. Crane, hold position. We have a stuck bracket here.
Copy that. Stabilizing load.
Significant corrosion on actuator 5. We need photos before we move past this point.
Copy. Holding steady.
Keep it steady. Watch the pressure line.
Confirmed. Lowering to the east rack now.
Tags confirmed. Clear for extraction.
Core is free. Beginning descent to the cradle.
Secure in 3, 2, 1. Core secure. Scanning complete.
Torquing sequence initiated. Maintain pressure.
Confirmed. Reading stable. Pin inserted and aligned. Run the sequence.
Test is good. Confirmed, assembled, ready.
Alignment looks good.
Torquing fasteners now.
Gauge reads 0. Confirmed.
Maintain present vector. Lowering to contact point.
Alignment confirmed. Starboard side clear.
Initiating hydraulic clamps. Sequence green.
Hold position. We have a perfect seam here. Copy that. Connector alignment looks good.
Initiating shoulder rotation to 5 degrees.
Rotation stable. Vibe checks nominal.
Confirmed. Test complete.
Torque and routing confirmed, Supervisor.
Leak check passed. Seams are tight.
Very good. The internal build is approved. Proceed to armor assembly.
Looks good, right on target.
All right, starting the cure timer now.
Looks good, right on target.
All right, starting the cure timer now.
Alignment is within tolerance. Stress levels nominal.
Confirmed. Locking sequence initiated.
The shoulder alignment looks good here, and the masking lines are precise. Decal placement's confirmed. Clear coat thickness is optimal. Bring it down slowly. Watch the gap at marker 7.
Clear, it's seated.
Clearances look good on the shin panels. Lock it down. Locking sequence initiated. All green on diagnostics. Calibrating wrist joint. Movement is smooth. Cycle complete. All systems optimal. Final verification sequence complete. All parameters stable. Excellent. Systems pass.
The detail is amazing.
Look at the eyes, they're glowing blue.
It's incredible in person.
The articulation is flawless. Stability confirmed.